Hi guys, so today we're going to be cleaning our new oven that was just put in. It's an electric stove. It works pretty good, but you know, it's a whole process cleaning this up. So guys, the first step to cleaning the stove is removing these things over here. You do this by just pressing in and pulling it out like this. So we're going to set these aside for now because these don't really need cleaning. What we're really done is this right here, the bowl on the inside. As you can see, it's super stained, and you know. And then we put the soap over here, and we scrub.
And then you do this 4 more times.
Alright guys, so we removed and cleaned the first one. We're going to put it to the side for now. And now we remove the second and the rest of these. So push, pull, put it to the side. And when doing this, you gotta remember like where each one goes, so you know you don't get it mixed up. Clean this one, and now the last one. We move it to the side, and we'll put it like over here. We're making potatoes, you know, guys. I don't know what it is. Alright guys, so now that we removed and cleaned all of these, we gotta clean the top, which is filthy with coffee seeds, as you can see. And come and wipe it all down, you know? Next step, does this look clean?
Yes.
Now that we finished wiping off the top, we're gonna lift this up like this.
What?
And if you see these little rods, you just gotta move it backwards for this to stand up by itself, like that. And now we take more wipes and clean under here. Yeah. Oh, and make sure when you're cleaning that the stove isn't still hot, because even after you turn it off, there's still heat there. Alright. Now that we clean the inside, we just push it back in by taking this metal wire and putting it in here, and doing the same for the other side. Alright, and now we just gotta put everything back in the correct order. So this goes here. Please.
Okay, so now we got 2 of them.
Alright guys, so
That's
it.
yeah.
So you know, even though it's a whole process,
Yeah.
the stove and oven works pretty good.
Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.